Hi friends! In February 2022, we packed up our van, left chilly Ontario, and headed south. We crossed the border at the Fort Erie Bridge with great ease. And drove down the I-77 from Pennsylvania all the way down to Georgia. This is New River Gorge National Park in Virginia, a beautiful spot to stop and rest for a little bit. New River is one of the oldest rivers in North America, and the bridge is one of the longest steel arch bridges in the world. Savannah was the perfect place to rest from that long drive. The weather was perfect to take out our bikes out for exploring this beautiful and historic city. Forsyth Park was named for Georgia's 33rd governor and is home to the most famous fountain in the city. We also explored many of the 22 squares, each of which honors an important person or event in Savannah's history. Once we hit Florida, we purchased an annual state park pass and plan to explore many of the state parks. This is Fort Clinch State Park at the north end of Amelia Island. Amelia Island State Park is on the south end of Amelia Island. It's very popular with the fishermen and horseback riders as well. we explored this park on our bikes. Big Talbot Island State Park is just south of Amelia Island. There are beautiful bike trails under huge shady trees. And one of the trails, Black Rock Trail, leads to the shore. It was pretty cool seeing all the driftwood at Boneyard Beach.
Come this way.
This is Juno Beach. We spent a few days here because it's so beautiful and also because it's quite easy to park overnight right by the water. It was very cool driving through Jonathan Dickinson State Park through the pine flatwood trees. It's also a great place to climb the observation tower in the evening and have a beautiful view of the sunset. Riverbend Park in Jupiter, we met some YouTube friends, Steve and Audra. It was our first time meeting in person, and it was a lot of fun getting to know each other and seeing each other's vans.
So, show us around. All right. Give us a little tour. All right. So we've been working on our van for about 2 years. I think the biggest goal that we had was to keep the build low budget. Our kitty area, our cat litter is back in here. So we wanted to have a way for her to...
We have a separate video with a full tour. See the video description for a link to that and to their channel below. After that, we headed to the Florida Keys. Dagny Johnson Key Largo Hammock Botanical State Park is a small park with shady trails. It's a great place to visit on a very hot day for a walk or bike ride. This is Long Key State Park. In the 1930s, it was a luxury destination for celebrities and presidents. Today, it's a park for everyone to enjoy, right on the Atlantic Ocean. We explored this lovely park by bike. Our next stop was Bahia Honda State Park. The scenery is beautiful with palm trees and blue water. We got our bikes out and rode through the campgrounds. There are some amazing camping spots here, but it seems next to impossible to book one. There's a lot to do at Fort Zachary Taylor State Park in Key West. The beach is absolutely beautiful. The bike paths are fun to explore, and there is a historic fort right in the park. We walked through the corridors of Fort Zachary Taylor, a fort built to defend America's southeastern coastline. This park was also a beautiful place to watch the sunset. Stay tuned for part 2 of our trip, where I'll tell you about the places we visited from Key West all the way back to Toronto, Canada. Thanks for watching!